Vybz Kartel recently shared a video statement on his Instagram addressing rumors of a clash with Beenie Man over the King of Dancehall title. The speculation began after Kartel previewed a song that seemed to diss Beenie Man, followed by Beenie Man releasing a preview firing shots at Kartel. In the video, Kartel made it clear to Beenie Man and everyone else that he's not interested in any feud. Kartel said he's focused on his family, business, and his spiritual journey with God. Check out the video right now.
Gaza Nation. That's come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you, Gaza Nation, nothing could be further from the truth. Yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing with right now. Family, business, money, and God. Yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here. I'm out.
So, to the Gaza Nation and Kartel loyal fans and just fans of Dancehall, Kartel apologize. He's not interested in entertaining any war with Beenie Man because his priorities lies elsewhere. Let me know what's your thoughts on this. Do you think Kartel is making the right move by steering clear of any clash with Beenie Man or clash with anyone else? Let me know right now in the comment section, because I thought, or I believe, Kartel would have, entertained the war, but Kartel is making it clear, coming publicly on his official Instagram to let everyone know, no war with anyone, no war with Beenie Man, I'm good over here, right?